In this guide, you learn how to access Facebook on Chrome browser, alright, on your phone. So here I'm using iPhone. If you don't want to install it as an application, please, you can do that through the web. First is to tap your Chrome web browser. As your web browser opens, tap where you have search Google or type URL. Then type in facebook.com. Then search. Once you're taken to this page, alright, you will see the section where you have mobile number or email address. Tap there, alright, tap there, add your phone number or your email address you used when you were creating your Facebook account. Then tap the password section and enter your password, alright. So here I have my details added, my phone number and my password. So the next step you need to take is to tap on login. Alright, a notification will show up on your iPhone or Android. You can see that there. So I will tap on that notification. On tapping on the notification, it will show you the location somebody is trying to access your Facebook account. And in this case, the somebody is you. So tap on yes, is me, alright, for you to be granted access. Then tap on allow. Then tap on finish. You'll be taken to the mobile if you have a mobile app on your phone, but that's not what you want to do here. So I'll close this page, then tap on the web, alright, where I was. So I'm returned to the Chrome browser. This will load automatically. You can see that it says save your login info. Yes, I want to save my login info on the browser because I want to start accessing it on the web. So I'll tap on save. And with this, I'm now accessing Facebook on my Chrome web browser. So it says open app. I don't want to open app, please. I want to be doing everything on the web starting from now. So with this, you can use Facebook on the web without having the application installed on your iPhone or your Android. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology, which cuts across so many areas. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.